Hello guys, it is your Monday morning update on the approaching winter storm for all you YouTubers following me right now. I am appreciating the comments that you're giving me. Over the next couple days, if you guys would leave comments on these videos of what's the weather looking like in your area, how much snow you guys have gotten, if it's snowing, raining, or sleeting. Back to what I was forecasting yesterday. As expected, we are under a winter storm watch. They issued that around 4 p.m. yesterday with the 4 o'clock package. Models are starting to become more consistent, and I say this because the GFS and NAM are beginning to agree on a colder solution for the metro area. What I'm seeing is east of I-71 getting 2 to 5. While west, which would be around IM and Cheviot, so around the west side of town, getting 4 to 7. Okay, things may change here, but that's kind of the pattern I'm seeing with the models here. I kind of want to read you some stuff from AccuWeather. They have the February 9th, 10, 6.1 inches for the west side of Cincinnati. Now, the National Weather Service has been very iffy on the cold air solution. Ever since, for the past couple of days, they've been still going on that warm air solution because it says Tuesday, rain and snow. What they have for tonight is 1 to 2 inches, and then tomorrow 1 to 3 inches. I'm kind of iffy about that. I'm thinking 1 to 3 inches tonight, and then another 2 to 4. Just due to, I'm going to get the NAM model up here. And what I'm seeing now is the 300 MB plots are really close together, which means that the cold air would be right over us, okay? But if they were squeezed out, like not close together, it would mean that the warmer air would have enough time to work in, and we would be seeing some rain mixed in. So again, east of I-71, 2 to 5, while west is 4 to 7. I will give you guys another update this afternoon.